Welcome to Dry Ground Honey. I want to show you our new hives. Going to be a quick one today. It's an appreciation post really for the Welsh Government and specifically Cumberland and the Caerphilly County Borough Council. I want to show you our new hives. Have a look at this. We were successful in applying for a grant from the Special Development Fund. Through this grant, we were able to get lots of beekeeping equipment. You see all this here, lots and lots. These yellow nukes in front of me, these bad boy Dadant hives. This is the box. It is a beast. It takes Dadant frames. Now, just try and put this in perspective. That's a national nuke, and it fits, you know, completely inside this Dadant box. And that's a Payne's nuke. You know what I'm saying? That's a Payne's nuke. Loads of room. They've got excellent handles, thick walls. They've got these plastic frame rests, so you don't break the poly trying to get the frames off. The floors are excellent. Got feet, so you can get straps under. Entrance reducers. Hole there for the drones. And shut them up. Boom, easy to close for travel. It's got a vented floor, you know, the same shebang. Room to put a tray. These are the frames it takes. Look at the size of them. They're just huge. There it is in situ. All the bees coming back. Going in straight away. Serious upgrade, that is. This is the kit that we're going to use to grow our business, and I'm appreciative of it, you know. So once again, thank you to Cumberland, Harry specifically. Oh, we got so much more kit. We had so much things, so many things we bought through that grant. All right, thanks for watching. See you again. If you want to see any more of the stuff, let me know in the comments, and I'll try and put like a big list of food.